will you do if you saw someone pick up a bill which was dropped by another person? Would you help or not?
We will conduct a social experiment with our fellow Angelites!
The scene would be Chessa and Clarice will accidentally drop a 500 peso bill, which will be picked by Erica and Chen and act like they own it. In the first clip, our group noticed that the communication was not successfully done due to the various barricades such as physical disturbance, wherein we observed that the school canteen was crowded and rowdy. Furthermore, the lack of attention, interest, and irrelevance to the receiver are also the factors affecting the communication. On the other hand, for the second clip, we observed that even though there was noise from the different people, they still managed to give back the 500 peso bill, which turns out as a good gesture and generate an effective communication. Moreover, in the third clip, the noise barriers were still present in the setting, but then again, it did not affect the communication because they still honestly told about the 500 peso bill. Consequently, one of the barriers in the fourth clip that affect the communication is the psychological state of the receiver that may influence how the messages perceive. They may thought that they still could not help, that they should just stay away out of issues because of personal concerns. Therefore, in this scene, no communication was successfully formed. In the last clip, we can conclude that in this scene, a good communication was successfully exhibited. The receiver called out the sender and said, "Ate, yung pera niyo po." And the sender gave her feedback, stated, "Thank you po."
That's the end of our social experiment video. What about you? Would you help or not?